Good morning, everyone. So our topic is about digital transformation. So we are just seeing. So what is digital transformation? It reflects to the process of the using digital technologies of fundamental and changing how organization operating develop value. So paano siya guys is ning sa dating panahon iba atong i-compare karon ng ato ang kuan sa pag-digital is diba nung halimbawa dati is maato tag bangko maglinya-linya ta suhago karon kinanaman tay mga digital na natay computer pwede na nato siya i-directly sa GCash, PayMaya, like mga OFW di na sila maghago kay naa na may GCash. So mo to siya ang kuan nato sa digital no dili na ta kay hago kay naa na may mga dali nga way para mapadala ang atong kwarta di na ta matong bangko or bisag asa pa kay naa na ni ang PayMaya or GCash. So next is technology adoption. So implementing the digital tools. So mo ni siya guys ang kuan no. So kani siya is ginapakita niya ang kuan wait na. So ang technology adoption ay ang pagtanggap at paggamit ng mga bagong teknolohiya halimbawa paggamit ng GCash para sa digital payment sa halip na cash. So mo to siya no, dali na siya nato siya makuan ang mga kwarta no mapadala nato ang ma-adapt na nato ang kuan nato karon kay like dali na ta makapalit na ta og mga gamit sa ato ang mga technology like TikTok, Shopee, Lazada makapalit na ta sa dira nga way di na ta maghago og pangalin sa bisag asa. So mo na to siya guys.
Good morning everyone. Today I will discuss about process optimization. So what is process optimization? Process optimization ay paraan pagpapaganda o pagpapabuti ng isang proseso para maging mas mabilis, mura at epektibo. Kasama dito ang pagkilala sa problema, pagsusuri ng data, paghahanap at pagpili ng resolution at pagmumonitor ng resulta. Halimbawa, sa isang bakery, napansin nilang matagal matapos ang paggawa ng tinapay, ina-analyze nila ang proseso at nalaman na mabagal ang oven. Pinalitan nila ito ng mas mabilis na oven, kaya mas dumadami ang nagawang tinapay sa mas maikling oras ito. Ito ang resulta ng optimization. So number 2, customer experience. So what is customer experience? Ito ay kabuuang karanasan ng isang customer mula sa pakikipag-ugnayan niya sa isang produkto, serbisyo o kumpanya mula sa pagbili, paggamit hanggang sa after-sales service. Ibig sabihin ito ay pakiramdam at impression ng customer sa brand based sa kung paano siya tinrato at gaano siya nasiyahan. Halimbawa, kung bumili ka ng cellphone online at madaling umorder, mabilis dumating at maganda ang customer service, maganda ang customer experience mo. Pero kung matagal dumating, bastos ang support at sira ang item, masama ang customer experience mo. So yun lang po.
Is cultural change, encouraging innovation, collaboration, and adaptability among employees. So this refers to shifting the mindset and behavior within an organization to promote innovation, collaboration, and adaptability. So it means is creating a workshop culture where employees are open to new ideas, work together effectively, and quickly adjust to changes and technology or market conditions. So number 5 is data-driven decision making. So using analytics to guide business strategies and predict. It means is using data analytics and insights to guide business strategies instead of relying only on intuition or past experiences.
So now we will proceed to the 4 benefits of digital transformation. So number one is increase efficiently and productivity. It is one of the benefits because it can improve communication to their customer and it become more faster and less mistake in doing activities. Mas napapadali ang mga gawain pag naggamit ng digital because for today's generation, more of us are using technology. So in doing activities, we become more less mistake dahil or become more faster because hindi na mano-mano ang paggawa ng mga gawain. Number 2 is improving customer satisfaction. Why it is one of the benefits? Because it can provide faster service, personalized experience, and easier way to communicate customers. So in using technologies, mas napapadali ang komunikasyon sa mga customer dahil maaari mo itong gamitin sa paglagay ng mga mahalagang bagay na makakabuti o mas mag-improve pa sa mga gawain o sa activities o sa mga customers. Number 3 is better decision making with data insight. It is one of the benefits because it can be more smarter and faster decision to the leaders. We can use it with solving problem effectively and plan strategies based on our activities or in our work or even in our real informations. The last one is enhanced competitiveness. It is one of the benefits of digital transformation because it helps business innovative, adapt market change, and deliver better products and service. It allows organizations to stay ahead of competitors through technology and improve performance. Enhanced competitiveness. Why? In using technologies or digital, we can competitive others and we can compete them with our fast delivery and fast communication to our customer or even in social media shop.